All right, everybody, I'm going to teach you how to get an image off of Google using either fair use or Creative Commons. So I need an image of LM Montgomery. So I type in LM Montgomery, right? I'm going to go to Images. I go to Tools, and then I go to Usage Rights. So I'm going to click Creative Commons Licenses. Now this means, or it should mean, you might want to check it per image basis. This means that I can use any of these images here, right? In my video. I don't want to use any of these images because these aren't actually images of LM Montgomery. So I'm going to go back to all, right? And I'm going to choose this image right here because it's on Wikipedia, which generally means it could fall into the Creative Commons anyway. I'm going to click it. Click the image. All right. So this is where the permission detail comes from and the credit. And as you see, is it in the public domain? So as you can see right here, this image is in the public domain, in part because it's on Wikipedia. But we're still going to want to source it. And if it weren't in the public domain, we could still technically use it because we are doing this for educational purposes. So this would fall under the Fair Use Act. We're still going to want to source it, like I said before. So we're going to go to EasyBib. Go over here. We're going to say Images, Digital Image. And then we can type in what we have from the Wikipedia page, right? It looks like the title might be Lucy Maud Montgomery. So we would put that in, and then we would put where we got it from, which would be Wikipedia, and who the publisher is supposed to be, who the credit goes to, which is the Library Archives in Canada.